If you've got a listener who doesn't know if they're going to listen to another episode or not, if they're not sure if they've got time for another episode, and you say, don't go anywhere, I've got an episode queued up for you. If you say, don't go anywhere, you don't have to go anywhere. I've already got an episode ready. You don't have to leave. You can listen to that one now. If you say that, then, and they are thinking and they're on the fence between, should I keep listening or should I not? And you say goodbye, they're gone. Or if you say, don't go anywhere, there's an episode you got to hear, then they're probably going to stay. So you'll be able to keep a few more people each and every time at the end of an episode by just saying, you don't even have to go anywhere. You're listening now. The next episode's a great episode. It's queued up for you. Boom. Or on the opposite, you could say, thanks, have a nice day, see you next week. And then your listener's like, oh, next week. Okay, I'm not supposed to keep listening. She wants me to stop listening now and wait an entire week. Oh, okay, I guess I'm going to do that. I'm going to do what she said. And it's a hypnotic suggestion. It's a brainwashing. It's an influence to them, to their brain, that makes them make that final decision where they were in the middle and you say goodbye, they're gone. They were in the middle and you say, keep listening. Don't even go anywhere. The next episode's ready for you. See you there. Then they might stay. And then you've got a few people that only have time for one. You got a few people that just want to listen to all of them. You know, you're probably those people that were already going to be gone are probably gone. Those people are already going to listen are probably going to listen. But if you use that language, it'll strengthen those so that you'll get a couple of people that were going to leave to be like, oh, I'm actually going to listen now, because they're like, that's what they think they need to do. And then those few people that were going to listen, but they may have left because you said goodbye, see you next time, that they'll just jump off. So just remember, let's go over these 5 things. So basically this is tell them what you're going to tell them, which I gave you a good hook in the beginning. Tell them, which was the story, which was all of the content that you needed today. And now the offer, I will do 2 things with my offer. I will tell them what they're going to tell them what you told them. So I'm going to like wrap up this episode. And then if I've got an offer, a next thing that you should do, and I'm going to tell you. So here's what it looks like. And I'm going to end the episode by saying breadcrumbs. I'm going to remind you what it meant. Breadcrumbs was where you put things out there to keep people interested. So every now and again, you'll come back to the beginning so that they know what they're listening to. Cliffhangers. That is at the end of a thought, maybe before your ad, just like I did when we had our ad. I told you what was going to happen after the ad. So I got you excited. I wanted you to be excited and know that you're going to hear an ad, but then there's going to be good stuff after. Seeding is where I talk about my company sometimes. I let you know that we can support you. I plant the seed. So you might think about it and you might hire us right now. Today, you might actually schedule that. Or it may be that seed is smaller and just growing roots, and it's going to grow and become fruit in a few months from now, in a couple years from now, even. You never know. You just got to plant those seeds and nurture them along the way. So we talked about that and how you can get your listener to become your client, how you can support your listener to doing nothing, to actually taking those next steps and being safer, hopefully doing it so they don't lose money and et cetera. And we talked about hook story offer, how to get people excited with questions or with facts and numbers or with outlandish things that they're just not used to hearing. And I think I might have mentioned polygamy as just a thing that kind of gets people's attention sometimes. Whatever it is for you, you use that as a hook. The story is to tell them all of the stuff. The offer is to wrap it up. And how to end an episode, I'm going to end this episode letting you know, you've probably heard this before. Look, honestly, I know who you are. I know what you're going through. I've been there. I have clients like you. And I have cultivated an interview episode. This was a solo that I did for you. And the next episode is an interview that I am going to do with you, with somebody for you. And so I've got an interview. I interview good people and I ask them the right questions that you're looking for so you can get the value, so you can go to the next place. And I don't want you to miss out on that episode. I don't want you to miss it. So instead of stopping to listen to this episode, I will see you on the very next episode right now.